This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Marty Reed. This custom-built home checks all the boxes. From the laundry chute to the surround sound and additional parking pad to the entertaining patio area beside the pool, the extras are everywhere. You will love the large windows that provide plenty of light in the open concept living area. Another bonus is the outdoor hot tub that you can soak in after a long day. Make your appointment today to see this beautiful home. A pre-approval letter is required before viewing. For more information, review the details below.